A severe thunderstorm warning is out for the following Oklahoma counties: Oklahoma, Lincoln, Pottawatomie, Payne, Logan. Until November 11th, seek shelter immediately. As storms begin to pick up throughout Oklahoma, a severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for the OU-Norman and OUHSC campuses. The watch was issued for Atoka, Bryan, Caddo, Canadian, Carter, Cleveland, Cole, Comanche, Cotton, Garvin, Grady, Hughes, Jefferson, Johnston, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Love, McClain, Marshall, Murray, Noble, Oklahoma, Payne, Pontotoc, Pottawatomie, Seminole and Stevens counties. Authorities have issued a severe thunderstorm watch for several counties throughout the state. The main threat will be hail and wind.